Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency that has gained popularity over the years due to its decentralized nature and potential for high returns on investment. To get started with trading Bitcoin, you need to understand the basics of Bitcoin and the trading process. First, you need to choose a reputable exchange where you can buy and sell Bitcoin. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Once you have selected an exchange, you need to create an account and verify your identity. This is a necessary step to ensure the security of your account and to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. After verifying your account, you need to deposit funds into your account. You can do this by linking your bank account or credit card to the exchange. Once your account is funded, you can start trading Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin at the current market price or set a limit order to buy at a specific price. It is essential to understand the different types of orders you can place when trading Bitcoin. A market order is an order to buy or sell Bitcoin at the current market price. A limit order is an order to buy or sell Bitcoin at a specific price. A stop-loss order is an order to sell Bitcoin when it falls to a specific price to limit your losses. To make informed trading decisions, you need to stay up to date with market news and trends. You can use technical analysis tools such as charts and indicators to analyze the market and predict price movements. It is also essential to manage your risk by setting stop-loss orders and limiting your position size. In addition to buying and selling Bitcoin, you can also trade Bitcoin derivatives such as futures and options. These products allow you to speculate on the price of Bitcoin without actually owning the underlying asset. Finally, it is crucial to follow best practices when trading Bitcoin. This includes using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication to secure your account. You should also diversify your portfolio by investing in other assets to minimize your risk. In conclusion, trading Bitcoin can be a profitable venture if you have the right knowledge and skills. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can get started with trading Bitcoin and achieve your investment goals. Remember to stay informed, manage your risk, and follow best practices to ensure a successful trading experience.